ഏതായാലും തമിഴ്നാട്ടിലെ ബിജെപിയുടെ അധ്യക്ഷൻ അണ്ണാമലൈ കൂടി നമ്മോടൊപ്പം ചേരുന്നു. ഹൗ ഈസ് ദ എക്സ്പെക്ടേഷൻസ് ഓഫ് ബിജെപി ഇൻ സൗത്ത് ഇന്ത്യ?
Sir, South India it looks very good, sir. If you look at Karnataka, there will be a clean sweep, 28 out of 28. Puducherry, 1 seat BJP will win. There is only 1 seat there. Goa, 2 seats BJP will win. Tamil Nadu will get into double digits. Kerala also a big hope. What you are seeing in Wayanad, people don't want a VIP culture. People don't want some VIP coming and getting elected, visiting less than 10 times and going back. People don't want son of a soil. Common people like Surendranji, who is available for the people 24/7. This is the case across Kerala. Kerala, people are seeing the fight between communists and Congress. So people don't want this kind of a setting politics. People want an original politics. This time, South India, 160 seats below India's, what we say the southern politics. After June 4 results, when BJP emerges decisive in all the 160 seats, there will be no more talk about North India and South India.
Congress National President Mallikarjuna Kharge was yesterday in Bathari. He told that there is full of corruptions with BJP leaders and they are acting like washing machine and making the corrupted people put into this washing machine and make them as sacred.
This is coming from such a senior leader like Mallikarjuna Kharge ji, where the whole Congress top family is out on bail. Many leaders in Congress, if you see, especially 2004 to 14, not even one leader we can say is free from corruption. With respect to BJP, we run a very clean government. 76 ministers are in the cabinet, including Honorable PM Modi ji. Can they bring one allegation against a single leader or even the leaders who are contesting in Kerala? Surendran ji, Muralidharan ji. If you look at Rajiv Chandrasekhar ji, Anil Antony ji, if you look at Krishna Kumar ji, Kollam, Palakkad, if you look at all the leaders who are here, you cannot bring a single corruption allegation against anybody. That is the difference between Congress and BJP. Mallikarjuna Kharge ji can speak all he wants. It is the people who will decide. So he can speak lies like he wants. Any person who is coming to BJP also, BJP is not helping them. Any cases they have to take care. And they have come here just because they love Modi ji and our ideology. Doesn't mean that they are going to get free of any cases they want. They want to fight it at the court. And we are not helping anybody.
Thank you for joining with us. എന്തായാലും വലിയ തരത്തിലുള്ള തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പ് ആവേശത്തിലാണ്. പ്രചാരണം അവസാനിക്കാൻ മണിക്കൂറുകൾ മാത്രം ബാക്കി നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ മാനന്തവാടി സാക്ഷ്യം വഹിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇടത് വലത് മുന്നണികളുടെ ഒത്തുതീർപ്പ് രാഷ്ട്രീയത്തിന് ഇനി കേരളത്തിൽ ഇടമുണ്ടാകില്ല എന്ന് പ്രഖ്യാപിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് കെ സുരേന്ദ്രൻ നയിക്കുന്ന റോഡ് ഷോ വയനാട്ടിൽ മാനന്തവാടിയെ ഇളക്കിമറിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് പുരോഗമിക്കുന്നത്. ക്യാമറമാൻ ബിബിൻ മുരളിക്കൊപ്പം ഡാൻ കുര്യൻ, ന്യൂസ് 18.